Hey folks, good morning to all and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great today. So it's just past 3 a.m. now and I'm on my way to see the sunrise and we are going to Gudibande Fort this time. One of the coolest spots I think to catch the morning sunlight. The fort, Gudibande Fort is I think so approx 100 kilometers from Bengaluru. And we started the ride from Marathalli at around 2:30 I guess, and so we'll be taking the Budigiri road, which will connect us after the airport, after Devana. From there, we'll be taking NH44 and go straight somewhere around 70 kilometers I think, and then we'll take a left and proceed to our destination. Also, good thing is there is a famous spot nearby Gudibande Fort, for chilling and all. I bet many of you have heard about it. It's Vata Dosahalli Lake. It's a beautiful lake, I've been there like 2-3 times, and let's see, after the trek we might head there. We're just behind the airport. Can you see that plane landing there? It looks like an action movie scene where we are chasing the plane. Oh, interesting. And these towers, the red lights and all, since it's pitch dark, I'm enjoying this. It's pitch dark, and since the highway was clear, I just switch off my lights to see the city lights twinkling. It's looking nice. Let me switch them back on. I don't want to take any risks. Guys, let me show you one thing. The importance of fog lights, while traveling at night. Nowadays, main light doesn't do anything. See, I'm not sure how much it's visible in the camera, but from my point of view, I can see quite a far distance now. So it's like if any objects or potholes come, I'll be alert and I'll be knowing about it. Hey there folks, so we took a left turn from the NH44. Now we are on the route to Gudibande Fort. It will be more 5 to 6 kilometers I guess. So the time is now 5:50. I think so we'll reach there by 5:05 and then we'll start the trek. Just a word of caution guys, don't drive speed on these roads. Some down the lane there'll be a lake, and at night you won't be knowing when to make a right turn, so be careful. If you notice left side, you can see the lake. It's quite a big one, and it looks also very nice during the daytime. Now you can't see anything. We are almost there. Cross that road, I think. Take a U-turn now. Looks like this one. dark again, so we have to park down itself and have to start a trek. It's almost 5:10 now. Let me park that side. Too quiet here. We started our trek. Sun is about to come up. Just look at those lights. Yeah, it seems like stars have come down. Finally at the top, folks. It almost took me 1 hour to reach the top, but the view is amazing. It's so nice. Hello there, folks. It was amazing. We just sat there, we slept there, we were just admiring the sky, the mountains. There was so much things to see there. And the photos that came was very nice. You should definitely come here. Now we are heading to the Vatadosahali Lake. Don't worry, I'll be sharing all the route details from Bangalore to Gudibande Fort till Vatadosahali Lake in the descriptions. Guys, if you like the video, if you like the vibe, please do like and subscribe, and please share with your friends as well.